It's time to do an unboxing. My PR got here from Gerard Cosmetics. I ordered the mystery box because with Gerard Cosmetics, you get to pick what you want for PR. So here is mine. I picked the middle mystery box. The sale is, I think today's the last day to get everything in the site, 51% off with no code. Just go to my link tree, the link to Gerard Cosmetics. I am affiliated with them. I do get paid when my link and my code are used. Like I said, no code is needed for this particular sale. So let's get to it. Can't see my address. I had to record this before I took this off. Then I realized, oh shit, I gotta cover my address. So, like I said, this is my PR box. I am affiliated with Gerard Cosmetics. I love you, Jen. Anyways, let's get to it. I'm not gonna show me cutting the box because we all know that this app does not like seeing sharp objects, so you won't see me do that, but it is open. I'm gonna take the receipt out because it has my address, and I always love how they package everything with Gerard Cosmetics. Their box is amazing. The products are amazing. I do use the products a lot, and I do mean a lot. A lot. Like even my lips is Gerard Cosmetics. Well, the lip liner is. Today I have nude, but again, I use Gerard Cosmetics a lot. Their setting sprays, this one, it's mint chocolate. Mystify, this is actually part of my everyday, and I do mean everyday skincare. Before I put all of my moisturizer stuff in, my skincare in the morning and at night, and even after, and in between each layer actually, or almost each layer, but yes, I do love Gerard Cosmetics. So let's open this box. And comes with the little flyers. Mystery box stuff. Yogi and Gerard. Gerard sent it to me. They do have a new product, and it's their hair product. It's their hair vitamin that actually works. I still have to get it. I still haven't gotten it yet. But this is what my box comes with. Every box comes with different stuff. I actually do need a couple of these. So thank you, Jen. I did actually need this. So, because mine ran out. Which it actually does work. My teeth were a lot worse than this. I drink a lot of coffee. I drink a lot of colas or Cokes and Pepsis and dark sodas in general. Since I was like, well, coffee since I was like maybe 12, 13 years old, around there. And soda my whole life. So I did need this. My box also came with the Mystify, which is this one right here. You can never have too many of these. I have maybe 3 of the other brand new boxes of this, and I have like 4 open boxes of bottles. I have one down here, my guest room / makeup room. I have one in my restroom, in my medicine cabinet with my skincare. I have 1 or 2 more in my closet actually. 2 of them are almost empty, and then this one. But yes, Mystify, can never go wrong. Came with a highlighter, and this one is in the color Maryland, which is probably one of my favorite colors. In fact, I think I have it here, so I won't have to open it just yet. No, I don't. But it is in my little other trio though. So I won't have to open that one just yet. But now I can't find it. And I just had it because I just used it. And I can't find it. It's actually what I have on. It's actually my favorite highlighter. By far my favorite one. But I'm gonna have to open it. So this is Marilyn, Grace, Bridget, Grace. I have 2 Graces down here. Where is my highlighter trio? I'm missing a trio. What in the world? I just had it. I swear to you, I just had it. Because I have my bronzer blush duo. I have the dark contour bronzer trio. Why am I saying duo? It's a trio. But I am missing one of my highlighter ones. Oh my goodness gracious. I guess I'm gonna have to actually open it. I thought I had one here. Well, I do have one here. Just don't know where it went. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh well. Let's open up Marilyn. Oh. I don't have Marilyn on. I have Grace on actually. She's a little shattered, but it's okay. I'm still gonna use it. It's okay. But I think I have, it's Bridget. Yes, I actually have Grace on, which is this one right here. But I can't find that trio. I swear I had it here because I just used it because I just finished filming. And I cannot, oh, found it. So, this is the trio that I was telling you about. This is Lucy, Marilyn, and Grace, which is what I have on. But I don't have Marilyn on a big one. I have Grace and Bridget. But yes, Mystify. Lipsticks, Nude. I love their lipstick bullets. And I do have Nude, I think. Oh, yeah, that's gorgeous. It's a little melty, but that's okay. I live in the desert. It's hot. I'm actually surprised she's in a rose gold bullet. Usually those are the glitter lipsticks, unless it changed everything. This is the mini of the setting spray, which I do not have because I gave it to my sister-in-law. But I got the setting spray in mini. I got a Hydra Matte in West Coast, which is one of my favorite colors actually. I love all the products. I'm not gonna say I'm biased, but I am. This is West Coast. It's a beautiful pink. I actually don't have this color. I am happy. And then I have Pink Tiara, Color Your Smile. I think that's the one that I ordered. No, it's not. The one that I ordered is in there. This is Pink Tiara. Love. This one has a little light. There we go. Has a little light. Their glosses are amazing. They smell amazing. All of the lip products for Gerard Cosmetics smell amazing. You will not regret it. It's a love. It came with a lip liner, lip pencil in Bel Air, which is actually one of my favorite colors that I do have here. It says Bel Air. That's what it looks like. It's like a mauve type nude. And then the one that I actually ordered because I don't have this color. And I'm still trying to get all the Color Me Smile lip glosses. And this is in Cocoa Bean. Takes me back to when I used to wear a lot of browns on my lips back in the late 90s, early 2000s. So another Color Me Smile one. This is what it looks like. Let's swatch this really quick. Oh, that is gorgeous. Again, it smells amazing. But yeah, this is my PR box from Gerard Cosmetics. And yeah, I was going to put this on TikTok, but the video is too long for TikTok. So head over to my channel. Well, this is my channel. This tension headache is kicking my ass. Anyways, that is my PR box for Gerard Cosmetics. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you like unboxings. And if you do, let me know and I will put more. I will do more unboxings. Yeah. See you guys. I love you all. Mwah.